In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a folder to Dropbox. So, once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your central hub, providing easy access to all the resources Dropbox has to offer. It's where you'll manage your files, folders, and a whole lot more. What you really want to focus on right now is navigating to the Files section. Think of this section as the backbone of Dropbox. It's here that your entire digital life is organized and stored, from individual files to extensive folders. Now, let's move on to creating a new folder. First, look for the Create button. It's usually located on the right side of your screen, or sometimes tucked into a menu option, depending on how your layout is set up. Once you spot it, you're on your way to organization heaven in Dropbox. Click this Create button and you'll notice a small dialog box popping up. It's quite straightforward. Here, you'll have a few options, like creating a document or folder. For our purpose, you'll obviously want to click on Folder. As you create this new folder, consider the name carefully. A good naming strategy can save you a lot of time in the future. Use a name that clearly indicates what's inside or the folder's purpose. It could be something like Family Photos, Work Projects, or anything else that suits your needs. Type in your chosen name and make sure it's something you're happy with. But wait, there's more. You can decide who gets to access this folder. You'll have the choice between allowing everyone to have access or just specific people. Once you've sorted that out, all that's left is to hit the Create button. And just like magic, your new folder appears. It's now ready for action, standing by in your main dashboard to be filled with files. It's exciting, isn't it? Adding a folder to Dropbox is not just about storing files. It's about organizing your digital life and streamlining your workflow. Plus, it makes sharing multiple files with colleagues, friends, or family a breeze. It's important to remember, the key to effective digital organization is consistency. Be consistent in how you name and structure your folders. Trust me, this will save you loads of time and reduce stress when you're trying to locate that important document or photo down the line. Don't forget, you can create as many folders as you need. Organize them within each other for more complex structures if necessary. And remember, Dropbox isn't just a personal storage unit, it's a dynamic tool for teams. Sharing folders for collaborative projects ensures everyone involved has access to the latest version of files, anywhere and anytime. And there you have it, your guide to adding a folder in Dropbox. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Whether you're tidying up your digital files or setting up a shared space for team projects, managing your folders in Dropbox effectively is a truly valuable skill. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or nifty tips on using Dropbox more efficiently, feel free to share them in the comments. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more insightful tutorials just like this one.